Welcome to Intel Skills for Innovation, empowering educators to prepare students with future-ready skills through the innovative use of technology, in collaboration with Acer. SFI has impacted over 250,000 teachers, providing valuable professional learning and ready-to-use teaching resources to classrooms powered by Intel and Acer devices.
Now, as part of this mission, the SFI Google Classroom add-on makes it easier to bring innovation to your lessons, right inside Google Classroom. To get started, your school or district admin will need to install the add-on for your account.
After installing the add-on, getting started is simple. Log in with your Google account and the SFI add-on is ready to use, right inside Google Classroom. Choose your preferred language upon launching the add-on.
Browse starter pack lessons by subject, topic, age, language, and whether your students are using Chromebook or Windows. Preview each starter pack lesson to find exactly what your students need. With just a few clicks, assign starter pack lessons to your class, customize your rubrics, and embed expectations right from the start.
Once assigned, students dive right in, opening the starter pack directly within Google Classroom. Inside, they explore interactive videos, thought-provoking prompts, and creative activities. At the end of the starter pack, they're guided to open a linked worksheet. With a single click, they create a personal copy in their Google Drive and begin completing it, capturing their ideas and reflections in real time. After completing the worksheet, students return to the assignment page, attach their document directly from Google Drive, and turn it in, making submissions straightforward and fully integrated. Once submitted, teachers can open each student's worksheet, apply rubrics, and return feedback, all without ever leaving Google Classroom. Ready to simplify your workflow and inspire student innovation? Ask your school or administration to install the Intel Skills for Innovation add-on today and explore starter packs co-created with Acer, built to bring technology and creativity to every classroom.